Here at Orange Island Park, which is a really pretty place, just a few minutes from my house here in Changsha. And the reason I'm here is, well, a couple of reasons. One, I got this brand new DJI Mavic Air and I'm just so excited about trying it out. And anyway, this place is normally really beautiful. Right now I came early morning and everything is still foggy and overcast, and so I don't really know how much I'm going to be able to see or get footage wise. But anyway, I'll probably come back out here on a more sunny day. But I got this Mavic because just recently I've become fascinated with how pictures, but especially videos, help us to tell a better story than if we didn't have them. It's not that you have to have them, it's just that they really help. And in my time here in Changsha, I'm just absolutely loving it. But so often I found my words just fail to do it justice or to really describe what I'm trying to say. And so anyway, one of the things I really love about Changsha is that it's big, and so I'm hoping by using this drone I'll be able to kind of give you some perspective on what this city looks like, and yeah, help you fall in love with it just like I have. So we're gonna try this baby out, so see you in just a minute. So I found me a beautiful place. Absolutely no one is here, that at least that I see right now, except a few cars that are driving by and some people up on the bridge, which I'll show you in a minute. I've got the Mavic all set up. It's ready to fly. I practiced a little bit last night, so hopefully I don't fly it right into the lake. That would be really sad. I should probably knock on wood. But anyway, sorry that's so bright. Okay, yeah, but anyway, I gotta take my phone out of the camera in order to fly it, but let's do this thing. So I just ran out of batteries and it's time to go back, but I just wanted to say I had an absolute blast flying this thing. I haven't got to look at the footage yet, but as you can see, the daylight is just now coming, so I probably should have come back in like an hour or so. But anyway, it was super fun and a little bit of a foggy day, but I'll try to come back when it's sunny, and I really want to show you some things at the other end of the island. But it's just so fun to fly the drone, and it's also really awesome to be able to show off a place that I love like Changsha, and so yeah, the combination of those two is just pretty epic for me. And so I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.